So guys, I found another paying platform. Yes, it's an investment platform that was launched this early morning by 10 a.m. Yes, if you're interested, watch this video till the end because this channel is all about how to make money, how I make my money online, and I want you to make money also as Christmas is fast approaching. Yes, this platform was launched by 10 a.m. today and it is paying. And the sweetest part of this platform is that if you register, they will give you welcome bonus of 1,000 naira. Then you deposit. The least amount you can deposit there is I think 3,000 naira. Then you'll be getting daily income of 700 naira. See the investment this thing. You understand? So pause the video and know the one that you want to invest. Watch it. You understand? So then you click on daily signing, which will give you 500 naira. After you have deposited and invest, then you can withdraw the 1,500 instant. Is that not amazing? You can withdraw the 1,500 instant, though their withdrawal charges is 20%, and which is if you withdraw you'll be getting 2 on your account, which is very nice. At least you'll be getting half of the money in case if anything happen, because investment platform have a rule. Because number one rule is that you join early, you withdraw early. You understand? And also you put the money you can afford to lose. And number three, you don't borrow to invest. Number four, you don't keep your money on investment platform. Any money you see on your dashboard, you do what? You withdraw instantly. So this is how it works. So I don't want this video to be long. If it is the first time of coming across my channel, please click the subscribe button, like and share. If you're an old subscriber, please share and comment, and also tell me how many times you see this subscribe button. And also our giveaway is still going. See, if you are the first time this is subscriber and you say you saw subscribe button 10 times, I'm not going. You have to be active here, to be very active, because if you are not active, nobody is winning the money you get. So that's just it. So let's dive into the video and how you can invest, deposit and withdraw. So let's dive right away. Guys, if you click the link of my description area or my comment section, it will bring you here. Then you put your email. Let me put my email. You put your phone number. Put your phone number. 36. Then put my password. Then I click register. So you see they said welcome to NSA, welcome. You get 30% on your level 1, 5% on your level 2. Or 1,000 naira welcome bonus, 500 naira daily login, minimum withdrawal 1,000, and 20% charges. You can click here. And join their Telegram group in case if there is any information. And the one thing is that their income drops every 18 hours. You understand? So I have 1,000 naira here already. But before then, let's click deposit here. Click deposit here. Then you click, if it is 3,000, you click submit. Once you click submit, you click this account number, click the copy. You understand? Don't use OPay to do this thing, because OPay is already flagging the account due to too much deposit in this account. So either you use PalmPay or any other bank and deposit. You understand? Once you deposit, you come back here and click I have paid. Click I have paid. You understand? So you go, once you have paid, it will be pending. Just in few minutes time they will drop it on your dashboard. Once they drop it on your dashboard, you come here. If it is 3,000 naira owned, you click invest. You understand? It will invest and start reading. You will see it here. You will see it here in this income area. it will start reading. This is my new account. It will start reading. You understand? So you see, 3,000 naira on, you'll be getting 776 naira daily, plus your daily signing, which is 500, is 1,000 something, which you can withdraw immediately. This one is 6,000, you can be getting 1,552, plus the 500 naira, you can 2,000, which you can withdraw. So check the amount you can afford to lose in case if anything happen. This is an investment platform. Nothing is sure in this Nigeria. Even Nigeria with the inside safe, it's very risky. You understand? So you click, if you want to withdraw your money, you click withdraw, then you bind your account, put in your account. Once you put your account, they'll bring out where you can withdraw your money, because I don't want to set up this one. Once you have invested, remember to click here, this daily login here, so that they will give you 500 plus this 1,000. It will be 1,500, and you can withdraw it immediately. So that's just it, and I hope you end before anything happens to the site. You understand? Like they say, first come first serve. You get? So you can join now and start earning immediately.